Hey everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. Happy Thursday. My name is Chase. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to look at on the weekly scale, the daily scale, the 5-day scale with our Gaussian channel indicator. We're going to look at the moves I think we could be making, what the charts tell us. That's what we focus on this channel. Just the facts and the charts, not the news so much, not, making $1 million in the next 4 to 7 days kind of thing. No moon boys, no hype. Just what do we see in the charts, relay that to you, and that's all. I don't have anything to sell you. I have nothing to promote. There's no advertisements. There's no paid promotions. Nothing. Just charts. If you like the video, if you like me or my shirt is this bright, just give us a thumbs up on the video, subscribe to the channel, check us out. I have links below for Twitter, Telegram, Patreon. That's all I'll ever have. There's nothing else. And Patreon's just if you want to learn a little bit more, if you're newer, if you want to, see some things that I don't show on, YouTube where you are now. I have some extra content on there. So let's go ahead and get started. Weekly Bitcoin USD. This orange box is the range that I have set that I believe we will be stuck in until we're not. Now, what the hell does that mean? Well, as long as we can, this is basically our wick box, okay? The wicks can go anywhere inside here, and it's kind of going to be ho-hum. Now, yes, this is a huge-ass box, about $20,000, top to bottom. So as long as we don't see a wick outside of this, we're good. If we do see a wick to the bottom or the top, that's, in my opinion, the direction that we will be going. Now, besides wicks, what else could we look for? If we want to, narrow this down a little bit, okay? So the top of this is almost 50K. The bottom is 30K, where our bottom was. So if you want to see a daily candle and know where we could be safe at, we could raise that bottom up a little bit. We don't want to see a daily candle come out here. There's also our 50-week support line right here. If we see a candle close under that, that would be bad news. And if we want to draw this in a little bit, as far as the top side, I don't really think we can. Maybe if you want to, we could say we could close a candle above our 21-week EMA, but still that's not going to quite cut it. In my opinion, we're going to have to break our 20-week SMA with candles holding, and you can see that here. Let's remove the box now. You can see the box, the reason I drew the box at the top. Our 20-week SMA is right at the top of that, right at 49K. That's going to be tough to get above. If we get above that with a closing weekly candle, that would be a great sign. What about the upside of that? I'm glad you asked. After we break this with at least 2 weekly candles, you can see how long a time frame this could take, right? Because we're best case scenario, maybe July, before we could get up here on this same trajectory. But after we do that, 60K would be our highest closing candle. 60, if we close a wick above 65K, yeah, not only are we making all-time high, but we're probably going to go much higher than that, because look at what happens after you break a previous all-time high. You can remember back when we had our 14K summer bubble back then. Once we get above that, it's just rocket ships. And same thing, again, go back even further to 2017 bubble at 20K. Look at the consolidation right in here, right at 20K. Came right up to it for several weeks. Once you break the previous all-time high, it's just rocket ships up, which will happen again once we clear 65K. With a closing candle above 65K, we're going up, and it'll be fast. That'll be your last call, all aboard, or lose out. Okay. So let's go ahead and look at the 5-day. Let's remove the orange box now. Enough boxes. Orange boxes. Let's look at the Gaussian channel on the 5-day. Or not. Maybe I don't have it on this one. Let's go over here. Technical difficulties. Bear with us. One take. This is one take, folks. If I get the chart wrong, you just have to wait a little bit longer. Okay? Remove drawings. There we go. Let's take some of these moving averages. Damn. I had it all set up on the other one, but I forgot that I did not have the Gaussian channel on that one. So hang on a second. Let's hide some of this. And then we got to put on the 5. Jeez, we're lacking. We're slacking here. Hang on. We're going down. All right, there we go. All right, so the Gaussian channel. We still have not entered with a candle close, right? We're still holding that top line as support. So far, so good. But history has told us that after we've even wicked in here, it's not a great sign. So we'll have to wait and see. If we do break this top line, highly probable we're going to the middle line, and highly probable also that we hold that as support at least the first time, for temporarily, for at least another 10 days. That's what's happened in history, at least. So the top line currently, you can see over here on the top, middle, bottom, right? Top 37K roughly. This is going up over time. So each 5-day candle that passes, each of these candles is 5 days. You guessed it. This is rising. So the middle line is right at 30K. That would also present us with a nice double bottom from our drop back in mid-May, about a month ago now. Since our, bloody waterfall, Stephen King's, price decline. I don't know. So if we break 37, it's highly likely we go back to 30. Hopefully we hold that. Again, as time progresses here, if we can just maintain going up here, the moving averages will move up over time. So that's what I'm looking for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the market mover still. Like it or not, hate it, love it. Well, it doesn't matter your relationship with Bitcoin. He controls what the markets do, period. If he's bullish, the market usually turns a little bit bullish. If he's bearish, the market, yes, you guessed it, is bearish. So that's why we have to maintain or get up on Bitcoin and keep a bigger picture outlook and see what we can sell, big picture wins, patience wins in crypto. These times, the next several days to weeks could just be just like the past several days and weeks, just not much of anything. You have to be ready for that. So look at our zone back in here. Look at our zone back in here. It's just, it's likely that we just kind of range. Remember the orange box, above 50K, below, mid 30s, even to 30K. It could take months. It could be weeks. But the longer we stay, inside that orange box, the more likely it is that we stay longer in that orange box. Until we can make a move out of that, it's just not going to be very exciting. Get used to it. That's what it is. All right. I'll leave it with that, but I'm going to try to make another video. I'm going to go over like a bunch of coins. I'll just do like a couple touch points on each coin. I'm just going to go kind of down the list. I got a whole big list here. Look at it scrolling. I'm going to try to do a bunch of those. We're going to look at the total crypto market cap, AMP, ADA BTC. We're going to look at different trading pairs. We're going to look at Link, DOT. So that'll be on the next video, hopefully within the next couple hours or so, and we'll get that out. If I can't make it today, we'll do it one tomorrow for Friday. But just know that that'll be probably my next video to make. So I appreciate you guys. 5-Day Crypto. Remember, follow, like, subscribe. I don't know if I said those things twice. But, yep. If you want me to wear more neon shirts, you gotta hit the like button. Period. Gaussian channel, Gaussian shirt. It's pretty damn close. It's the same color. Car of the day. Did my McLaren, got my Ferrari. I got a new one coming today. It'll be here. Maybe tomorrow I can do that. Or I'll throw it in the video if it shows up soon. It's going to be a good one. Special edition. I don't know. Pick one of those. Which one do you like? I got the Ferrari. How about the Ferrari Monza? SP1 Monza. We've done it before, but not for a while. It's the one-seater. One-seater. Gordon Ramsay has one. Pretty cool. Different, eh? Not much luggage space. What can you fit in there? Pots and pans? That's why he bought it. Alright. I appreciate you guys. If you're around this long, 78 gold stars for you. Yeah, that'll be the end of the video. You can click off now.